got my holsters a new Canik Prime. This bitch heat. And bro, you can see the bullet in there. The bitch heat. Paid only $500. Shooting that range target. Put this back in the holster. Bitch heat. Come look at the target. Straight through the eyeball. Got the neck, the body, and these do some damage. Look how big these holes is. Forehead, right in the middle of the nose. Kinda hit the side of the head through the mask. But this is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Face, through the chest, right there on the side. Hold up, I'm gonna get some more. Right there. Now, deadly ass shots. She's definitely dead. Oh damn! I almost got her in the coochie. Shit. Bro, paid around $500 for the new Canik Prime. This bitch is cheap as fuck. Already popped the fuck out this range target. Got a couple more bullets left. And this was 200. 50. Bro, this bitch heat. Oh shit, this bitch heat. Bro. Finna reload. Throw. Down the side. Ooh, beautiful.